In the next 5 years, AI will change everything. AI will also change India's job market forever, and millions of people will wake up jobless. A report by McKinsey states that 38 million Indian jobs will be automated by 2030. That's the population of Mumbai and Delhi combined. 74% of Indian employees are already worried about AI replacing them. 40% of call center jobs in India will disappear by 2027 because of AI. AI generated content will dominate 60% of the internet by 2026. And here's the hard truth: AI is not coming for your job, it's already here. AI won't replace you, but someone who knows the AI, they will. Hello, guys. My name is Harsh, and in today's podcast, we are going to discuss top three jobs which are at a very high level risk and what people can do to save the job. Without wasting a single second, let's go into the podcast. Job number one is bank tellers and clerks. If you are working in a bank and still think that your job is safe, you are in for a reality check. 85% of all banking transactions in India now happen online. People don't visit banks anymore. They use UPI, Paytm, Google Pay, and net banking. Indian banks have saved to 60,000 crore rupees in 1 year by automating their services. That's more than India's entire health budget for the year 2023. So, in this field, how you can stay ahead? Step number one, learn fintech and cybersecurity. Step number two, move into AI driven financial services. Guys, remember one thing: banking is necessary, but banks are not Bill Gates. Job number two, data entry operators. If your job is just copying, pasting, and entering numbers, AI is coming for you next. AI now can scan, enter, and process the data 100 times faster than humans without any single error. 90% of Indian companies plan to automate their data entry by 2026. In just last 5 years, data entry jobs in India have dropped by 40%. What you can do? First thing, upgrade to data analytics. Learn Python, SQL, and Power BI. Step number 2, learn AI driven business tools. AI still needs managers who can oversee their decisions. AI won't take your job. Someone who knows AI, they will. Guys, let's go with the worst case now. Job number three, customer support, call centers, and chat support. The days of calling a customer service center and speaking to a human almost over. AI chatbots can now answer 80% of the customer queries instantly without waiting, without breaks. By 2027, 40% of India's call center job will be replaced by AI chatbots and voice assistants. Indian business have saved 5,000 crore rupees last year by switching from human support agents to AI driven solutions. Swiggy, Zomato, Geo, and even Indian Railways are using AI bot instead of human operators. So what's the solution over here? Specialize in high level customer support. AI can't handle complex cases. Humans still have the edge. Learn AI chatbot management. AI need human trainer to improve its responses. A robot can answer questions, but it can't understand the emotions. Guys, these were the top three jobs which are at a very high level risk, and these were my tips and strategies that we can implement to save our jobs. AI isn't replacing jobs, it's transforming them. The real question is, are you ready to adopt or you will be left behind? Tell me in the comments, do you think your job is safe? And if you want more AI proof career strategies, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, because the future isn't waiting for anyone.